The 5 good friends you need to have at work. You realize that office life is some kind of politics, so you need allies to support you in your battles and to back up your decisions. This is why you need to start building your group from the moment you got the job. These are the types of coworkers that can help you get a promotion, get that income raise, or better yet, link you to the best projects in your office. Who are these coworkers and why do you need them in your circle? The company gatekeeper. This is the person who knows a lot of key people. They interact with many departments on a day-to-day basis. It could be your receptionist, the admin person, or your office assistant. While their roles may vary from time to time, all of them at some point in their daily tasks interact with both management and employees. They can give you a heads up about an upcoming project or let you into that last-minute meeting with the CEO. Strike up a casual conversation over lunch or coffee, or just ask them about their plans for the weekend. Do not forget the small gestures. They will pay a lot. Once you understand how to relate to the different types of coworkers, you'll understand the value of each work interaction. Who knows, these relationships could help you long after you leave the company. Networking is not just about looking for people in higher positions. It means creating meaningful relationships in all aspects of life. A friend at Human Resources. This comes with its own set of benefits. These types of coworkers have access to information about job openings, whether internal or external. They have insider knowledge about the activities that go around the workplace. It's no surprise that most employees shy away from HR once they get hired, because those guys know things about people. But that's precisely why you need to get closer to them. To build this kind of relationship, one idea is to approach your onboarding HR and tell them about your career goals. Make sure you do this in person, because nothing beats the nonverbal language that communicates your intentions. Set expectations you'd like to meet on a monthly or bi-monthly basis, and let them in on your progress over time. And maybe you will have a coffee once in a while to strengthen the bond. The competitor. Like with other life relationships, not everyone will always agree with your ideas and actions. You need to form working relationships with your competition at work. Sometimes they will give honest feedback about your work, something that's really valuable to you. You need these types of coworkers to improve your skill set and to keep you focused. Building a relationship with a competitor builds your reputation as well, because you will prove that you can go out of your comfort zone to tackle challenges. You can begin by working on a project together and praising each other when it succeeds. Be the perfect team player. It will go a long way for you. The mentor with connections. Bonding with a coworker is one thing. Finding the right one who can assist you with ideas in your line of work is an achievement, really. When you have such mentors in your circle, they will be able to endorse your skills with the right people. They can put in the good word when you need that promotion and give you a competitive advantage over the rest of your workmates. If you don't have one yet, look for someone who you've always admired their work and approach them directly. Start the conversation on a casual note, building it up over time. However, be sure to let them know the role you'd like them to play for you and match on when they agree. Your BFF from the office. We all have one or two. The office best friend should be on top of your list of colleagues you can keep. Not only do they help you get through those difficult workdays, but they improve your mood at work. They will always be available to offer support and motivation. If you are lucky, they will crack a joke every once in a while to cheer you up. These types of coworkers will fully embrace you as a person, which makes it easier to go around your daily tasks. You need an office best friend who you can vent to, but also one who will give you honest feedback when you need something about your work. So these are the 5 people that you should have in your circle at work. Building a support team is essential in some work environments. Do you agree? If you have something more to add, use the comments to pick up the conversation there. Also, Check the description where we placed more resources related to the info in this video. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel to see more like this. In fact, why don't you click on the next one? We really think you will enjoy it.